Aloha Kauai. Here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Friday, May 1st. Happy Aloha Friday and Happy May Day. Our cumulative number of confirmed cases remains at 21. As we announced yesterday, our one active case was released from the hospital earlier and is now recovering from COVID-19. This means we have no active cases of COVID-19 on Kauai at this time, and all positive cases have either recovered or returned home on the mainland. Kauai's tally of cases and other information on COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency or KEMA site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated at noon every day. Yesterday, we discussed that most of our public-facing county offices would shift to a 10-hour day, 4-day-a-week operation starting on Monday, May 4th. This means that most county offices will be staffed from 6:45 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday through Thursday and closed on Fridays. One thing we wanted to clarify is that county offices will not reopen their doors to the general public on May 4th. As we continue to make operational adjustments to phase back to a full reopening, for example, we are in the process of installing plexiglass at many of our counters and taking other precautionary measures to maintain social distancing for the health and safety of both our customers and our associates. Those offices will not reopen until those measures are in place. That said, all offices are staffed, so anyone needing assistance from a county agency should call ahead. To view a directory of all county offices, please visit www.kauai.gov/directory. The one office that will reopen its doors to the public on May 4th will be the Buildings Division, in an effort to facilitate the issuance of permits so construction can resume. The Buildings Division counter hours will be 7:15 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Thursday, closed on Fridays. All customers should have their permit applications completed prior to approaching the front counter. Only 2 customers will be allowed into the lobby at a time. Customers are asked to wear masks and follow markers to help maintain social distancing. We will continue to share updates as each division reopens. The Wailua Golf Course resumes play on Saturday, May 2nd, with operational adjustments to ensure social distancing. No walk-ins will be allowed. Golfers must call ahead to reserve a tee time. To make a reservation, please call 241-6666. Players should arrive to the course no sooner than 20 minutes before your reserved tee time and must leave the premises immediately following the completion of your round of golf. Again, walk-ins are not allowed until further notice. Please reserve your tee time at the Wailua Golf Course by calling 241-6666. Mahalo to our course employees and players for setting the example on how we safely resume golf operations for our loyal golf community. The Hawaii Department of Health last week conducted an island-wide survey of the needs of our residents. The preliminary results were released yesterday, and we have asked Lauren Guest from the Kauai District Health Office to tell us more about their survey results.
A detailed survey of Kauai residents during the middle of the COVID-19 crisis found that most of us are able to handle our short-term financial obligations, but many are concerned about the future. Those are some of the preliminary results of a CASPER survey conducted during April. CASPER stands for Community Assessment for Public Health Emergency Response. This survey process, developed by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, involved interviews with nearly 200 Kauai households in 30 randomly selected census blocks. 5% of the respondents had at least one person in the family who had been tested for COVID-19, none of whom had received a positive test result. About another 4% had someone in the family who believed they might have had the disease but never got tested. 70% of households are very concerned or somewhat concerned about their household members getting sick with COVID-19. Nearly a third of families had at least one household member who was suffering emotional distress as a result of the pandemic. But for most, the stress level was moderate or low, and most felt that they knew how to seek help if they needed it. Almost every family, 98%, had cloth masks available, and most folks, 95%, always or nearly always wore them when going out. As expected, the most significant impact of the pandemic was economic. 57% of households had a family member who had lost a job or income source. Many of those who had applied had yet to receive unemployment benefits. For now, Kauai families are able to handle the financial stress, but many are worried about their continued ability to do so. A third of Kauai families are concerned about their ability to pay the next month's rent or mortgage. A quarter of families are very concerned about their ability to pay for basic utilities. Nearly 20% have received some type of community food assistance. The data collected through the Kauai Casper will be used to direct resources to the most immediate needs of our island residents. The preliminary report is available on the Kauai District Health Office's website, health.hawaii.gov/Kauai. The detailed responses are still being reviewed, and a final report will be available in May.
Mahalo, Lauren. Let's continue to work together to make forward progress. Please stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask. Do not leave home if you're sick, unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. We're going to get through this. Kauai, stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Kauai, we can do this. Hang in there. Take care of one another. God bless and aloha.